Hello, you beautiful people. I'm James. So today, guys, we have another new channel. It's called Viva La Dirt League. Have you heard of them before?
Yeah, I think a couple of the videos, flew past my YouTube page, MMO reenactments and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, nice.
Dabble here and there a couple of times, What's going on? Huh? Who go there? Wait.
It's a big moment. He forgets the lines.
First, Bulldog changes things up, and then I forget the line. What's going on there? Who goes there?
Who's prowling round here?
Bulldog, thank you. That's the word. That's the line I was trying to say, guys. Oh my god, I messed that up. I paid attention to the title of the video. I only dabbled in the MMOs and gaming stuff. I never looked at the stuff like this.
Yeah, no documentary type stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So good. Also, what I was about to add is at the end. Obviously, you watched the gameplay stuff like that, but this is obviously something a bit different. And obviously, we got David Attenborough. I'm going to assume that it's the real guy as well. You know what I mean? Good old Dave.
Oh, it's a good day for fishing, huh?
Okay. Hey.
It is a good day for fishing in the club.
Or clubbing. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, fishing in the club. I see. Oh.
Yeah, so this is called Clubbing in the Wild, David Attenborough Nature Documentary Parody. So let's get into this, man.
All right, let's go clubbing.
Yeah, I can't dance.
30 minutes north of Auckland lies an area known as Riverhead Forest. Here, 3 females have travelled to a mating ground known as a nightclub.
Calm down, Bulldog.
These females have engaged in an act found only in the human
nature,
kind.
Mate.
They're dancing to the whistles of the birds.
Yeah, it's clubbing in the wild, mate.
Yeah.
Twerk. I mean, tweet. Fucking twerk.
Oh my god.
What's on twerk?
I was going to say tweet, like of the bird.
We know what's on your mind, Bulldog. He almost did it. He stopped himself.
Clubbing. They've caught the attention of 3 males whom are ready to mate.
That's ready to mate?
Oh my god!
The males approach in the most seductive way they know.
Yeah. I'm on the front. I'm rolling.
Yeah, you are.
With that, the mating ritual begins. It's truly a wondrous sight. Their first objective is to search for an opening. However, this proves difficult as the females keep a tight proximity.
I'm sorry, I gotta add this out, man. You hear the ruffles of the leash when they're walking?
Yeah.
They retreat to a safe distance to reassess the situation.
It sounds like squirrels looking for nuts. That's what it sounds like.
Egged on by the others, the youngest of the 3 males makes the first move. Young and hopeful, he moves in to strike.
That uncomfortable dance as he approaches.
However, youth and inexperience play against the youngling. He attempts to connect with them from afar, relying on making eye contact.
Me and James in the background trying to push Leo.
He gets nothing back for his efforts.
He goes,
The youngling is frightened and out of his element.
He got frightened and left.
He retreats back to the other males. The second youngest preps to make his approach.
This is George.
Why am I gonna do that? Bulldog gave it an okay.
So good, brah.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Got that stanky leg, didn't he?
Has selected a mate. According to the alpha male, if a male can make physical contact with a female, intercourse is assured.
Did you hear what they said? The alpha male said that if you touch him, you're guaranteed intercourse.
Gesture causing the male much concern. he has to act.
He's just holding on for ages.
Uh-oh. It's our second hand.
It's that arm
The
and
male
elbow was on the
retreats
roof.
defeated. Any hope the males now
If
have
that was male with our arm, I'll
lies
have
with the
this
alpha
one
male. Who could possibly turn this stunt down? His confidence is palpable.
Yeah.
The females
that.
not being aroused by
Go get him,
this
Bulldog.
is simply
I'll bump into everybody.
unimaginable. They do, however, tighten their circle, a clear test, one the males must overcome.
There he goes. Oh. Pushed him out. Look at his
Oh, you look at the girls' faces though, they're trying so hard not to laugh, ain't they?
Disaster.
Disaster.
Even the alpha male has been denied by the females. The males desperately attempt to cover up their defeat.
The other guy's eyes.
Embarrassed, ashamed, still ridiculously horny, the males retreat
Still
to another club.
ridiculously horny.
Because, you know, this one was shit anyways.
There's no music playing. They're just dancing.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah. This week, hear the sheep in the background.
Oh, that's them.
Oh, they're dead.
They're making noises as they're dancing.